What does a topic look like on a campaign poster? Let's take a look at some. Back in the 1940s, women were told they couldn't do the same things as men. They rallied together and campaigned. This is an example of a poster that was created. The topic is "We Can Do It." That was their campaign slogan. When Donald Trump ran for president, his campaign slogan or topic was to make America great again. For our animal shelter friends, your campaign can look like this. You can use words such as help, clear the shelters, or donate. Make sure to include pictures of the cute furry friends. These are some examples of some current animal campaign posters. This one's my favorite, the little chihuahua holding the donation can. A cool way to campaign for animals is to even list some items that you could donate so that others know what to bring to the shelters. So let's recap. When you're doing your campaign poster, make sure you're using neat handwriting so your readers can read what you wrote. You want to catch your audience's attention by using a topic or a campaign slogan. And you want to include images or illustrations that are colored neatly so that your audience wants to read your poster. Good luck!